to Waec trial question number 3. This is the diagram, circuit diagram. This is the battery, ammeter, PK, jockey, this and D. You are provided with a potentiometer. Ammeter is a cell, 2 cells, and other necessary materials. 1. Connect the circuit as illustrated in the diagram above. Use the jockey to make contact in the wire at the point T, such that AT is equal to B is equal to 20 cm. Close the key, read and record the ammeter reading. I. Evaluate I impulse. Repeat the procedure for the values of this equal to 30, 45, 70, 60, 75, to 60, 70, and 85 centimeter. Tabulate your readings. Number 6. Tabulate your readings. Number 7. Plot a graph with I impulse on the vertical axis and D on the horizontal axis. Determine the slope X and the intercept on the vertical axis. Evaluate XC. Evaluate S over C. State 2 precautions taken to ensure accurate results. B1. From the experiment above, suppose E is equal to 2.04. Determine the value of R using ammeter reading. Using ammeter, determine from the experiment above, suppose E is equal to 2.04. Determine the value of R using your intercept C on the graph. From the graph, determine the value of I when D is equal to 90 centimeters. Now, this is the potentiometer. From potentiometer to the battery, from battery to the ammeter, from ammeter to the key, from key to the jockey, back to the potentiometer. Now we want to start when D is equal to 20. When D is equal to 20, yeah, come on, hold it. Come on. When D is equal to 20, I is equal to 1.2. 1.2. When D is equal to 30, when D is equal to 30, I is equal to 0.9. 0.9. When D is equal to 45, when D is equal to 45, I is equal to, when D is equal to 45, I is equal to 0.8. When D is equal to 60, when D is equal to 60, I is equal to 0.7. When D is equal to 70, when D is equal to 70, I is equal to 0.6. When D is equal to 85, I is equal to 0.5. Now, let us calculate our I inverse. Yeah, please. I inverse of 1.20 is equal to 0.833. Inverse of 0.9 1.11. Inverse of 0.8 1.25. Inverse of 0.7 1.428. Inverse of 0.6 1.66. Inverse of 85 and inverse of 0.5 is equal to 2. Now, plot a graph of I inverse on the vertical axis and D on the horizontal axis. Now, the maximum value of I inverse is 2.8, minimum value is 2.833, maximum value is 2. So we are going to use 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are going to use 0.5 and 10 small square is equal to 0.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So to give us this one will now give us 0, 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, 2.0. On the horizontal axis, minimum value is 20, maximum value is 85. Then, so 10 small square is equal to 10 units, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. D centimeter. I inverse now want to start when this is equal to when I inverse 0.83 D is equal to 20. This is 20 here. 0.83 will be somewhere here. Will be here. 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. When this is equal to 30, I inverse is 1.1, 30, 1.1 will be here. When this is 45, I inverse is 1.25, 45, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I inverse is 1.25, 1.1, 1.2, 1.25 here. When this is equal to 60, I inverse is 1.4, 1.43. This is 60, 1.4, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.43 will be here. When this is equal to 70, I inverse is equal to 1.67, 70, 1.67, 1.6, 1.7, 1.6, 1.7, 1.67 to be somewhere here. When this is equal to 85, I inverse is equal to 2. This is 85, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 85, 2. Now join them together. This is the graph. Now, determine the slope. Slope, we draw a very big triangle. So this is the triangle. Our y2 will be here, y1 will be here, x2 will be here, x1 will be here. Now, the value of x, y2 is 2. Value of y1 is 0.83. Value of d2 is 85. Value of d1 is 20. This one will give us 2 minus 0.83 will give us, why don't you open the door? 1.17 divided by 65 divided by 65 is equal to 0.018. Slope is this. Intercept is 0.4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Intercept is 0.4. Evaluate SC. S is the slope, YC is intercept. S over C, slope is 0.018, intercept is 0.4. S over C will give us .018 divided by 0.4. This is equal to 0.045. 0.045. Then state two precautions taken to ensure accurate results. I noted and corrected zero error on the ammeter. Number 2, I avoided parallax error when reading potentiometer. Then, from the experiment above, suppose C is equal to 2.0 volts, determine the value of R using your intercept C on the graph. Now, from the graph, intercept C is equal to 0.4. Equal to 0.4. C is equal to I inverse is equal to 0.4. 1 all over I inverse is equal to 1 over 0.4, which is equal to I 10 over 4. That is 2.5 ampere. Find the inverse. After that, we now use the formula V is equal to IR. V is equal to 2 volts. So R will be equal to V over I is equal to 2 all over 2.5, which is equal to R is equal to 2 over 2.2 divided by 2.5. 0.8 ohm. That is our R. Then next thing we are directed to do, B2 from the graph determine the value of I when this is equal to 90. When this is equal to 90, we are going to extend the graph. To touch D is equal to 90. This B is equal to 90. When this is equal to 90, value of I. When this is equal to 90, I inverse is 2.1. When D is equal to 90 centimeter, I inverse is equal to 2.1. Therefore, I is equal to 1 all over I inverse, which is equal to 1 all over 2.1 on the calculator. 1 all over 2.1, 1 divided by 2.1 is equal to 0.476. I is equal to 0.48 ampere. change.